Hello beloved and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I'm a Reiki practitioner. I am the creator of the Oracle of No card deck and I'm your favourite boundary guide. So today is the first day of a 4-part series called A Practice of Witnessing. It's for the you who's just done with doing everything for everyone and feeling like they get no recognition, no appreciation. It's for the you who doesn't feel like enough, even though all they do is invest in improvement. It's for the you who feels like they have done everything they're supposed to do and still things aren't moving in the direction they want. And if that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. And today is the beginning of a 4-part series that I'll be releasing every Monday. The idea of this series is a self-witnessing practice. It's a bit of a run sale title, to give you the recognition you deserve. Today's practice is the foundation practice. It's probably the most powerful one just because it's so easy and you can do it anywhere. So when you're ready, I want you to pay attention to where your body meets the surface beneath you, whether that's feet on the floor or bums on chairs. Place your hands in your chest space or simply place your awareness in the chest space and breathe there for 3 breaths or until you feel present. I'm going to give you a moment to do that now. Okay. Now I want you to bring your awareness to the edges of you, wherever that is. Is that the edge of your body? Is it a little further out from your body, or is it much further out than your body? I want you to try and experience where you end and where the world begins, and just get a sense of that. There's no right or wrong. And when you feel like you've got the whole of you in your awareness, or if that's not available today, then just trust that you have. I want you to say thank you. Thank you to you. No qualifier, just thank you. And I want you to keep saying thank you to whatever arises. There might be that little voice that says, thank you for what? I haven't done anything. Say thank you to that voice. If a memory or a conversation or something arises that you do or don't prefer, I want you to say thank you to that. Again, with no qualifier. And I just want you to keep focusing on you and saying thank you. And this can be internally or aloud. It can be with your eyes open and your eyes closed. But keep finding the whole of you in your awareness and saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now you can pause the video here if you want to continue with this process. When you feel a sense of completion, or this is where the medicine or the magic is happening. After a period of saying thank you to whatever arises, to the whole of you, without a qualifier, a few things might happen. And it might not be the first time, it might be every time, it might be a mixed bag of results, if that makes sense. You might cry. The first time I did this, I cried my eyes out. And then after I'd let the crying stop, I felt an immense amount of gratitude, appreciation for myself. A lot of things made more sense about why I do or don't do certain things, or why I do and don't do things in a certain way. And after that initial release, when I've engaged in this practice afterwards, I'll yawn, I'll yawn. And a yawn is a sign of parasympathetic nervous reset. It's a sign that something has shifted in your body. And so a yawn, crying, a sense of peace or expansion, all of these are an indicator that something within you has shifted and for the positive. If nothing happens, that's also something. I know that sounds strange, but if nothing happens, nothing happens. Sometimes, especially if we've been super resistant to self-acknowledgement, it might take some time for you to trust you in the process. It might take time, like planting a seed. It doesn't grow all at once. I leave it in your wisdom, in your infinite wisdom of you, to know whether this practice is something you want to cultivate and continue. For me, I've found it was what I needed to help me make next steps in areas where I currently felt blocked. And I've found that it's improved my decision making. It's helped me recognize my value in the small things and the big things. And I truly hope that that happens for you too. So if you're still here, thank you so much for being here. I've really enjoyed sharing this with you. I hope it brings you as much, I don't know what the word is. I just hope it serves you as much as it served me. And if you have enjoyed this, please join me next week for the next part in the series, and let me know in the comments, like, how is this working for you? What have you noticed, if anything? And if there's anything you're unsure about, again, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to assist you. And with that, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.